Today we have a 2012 Chevy Traverse, all-wheel drive LT model with a 3.6 motor. The customer said it's not been running properly, and it does have a check engine light. We pulled it. It's a P0108 code, which happens to be your map sensor. We're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. This is your GM 3.6. They use this in Chevys, of course, Buicks, Cadillacs, GMCs. Some Cadillacs, not all Cadillacs. Sometimes these get stuck a little right here. I always like to put some white grease on that because sometimes they can be hard to get off. Just pop this cover off. Your manifold happens to be right here, and your map sensor is right on top of it, of course. It's just a little part right here. All we gotta do is unclip this. Just nice and easy. You can see that release right there, and pull it straight back. And to remove it, all we gotta do is take this T25 out and pull it straight up. What it actually just does is read the manifold pressure and sends the information to your ECM, which compensates your fuel, your timing, everything else, makes the car run properly. So you just gotta wiggle it back and forth like that. Pull this thing off. Nice and easy. There's a little rubber grommet on this thing. We just gotta get that off. You don't want to break this off. Just wiggle it back and forth until it comes off. It's got a rubber gasket right here. So what you want to do is put a little lube on that so it goes in there easy. You can just push down straight. You can break those off sometimes, just like that. Push it down nice and easy, and it pivots a little, just like that. Move it up, put it right in position. We're gonna put our screw back in. Okay, don't get crazy, it's just plastic. Just snug it up. Last thing we do is plug this in. You gotta pull this wire back in here. Listen for it to clip. Just like that. And that's all it takes to put a map sensor on a 2012 Chevy Traverse with a 3.6 motor.